Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 2A News Now, and I really do appreciate you taking your time tuning into my video. It was about a month or two ago that I posted a video about the Mexican government suing U.S. gun makers for $10 billion. And now it's being reported that a U.S. judge has canceled the hearing on a $10 billion lawsuit filed by Mexico, seeking to hold U.S. gun manufacturers responsible for facilitating arms trafficking to drug cartels. This is all according to Mexico's foreign ministry. The ministry, which has been urging a U.S. appeals court to revive the case, said the hearing, due to take place on Monday, has been canceled. The judge assigned to the case, Cindy Jorgensen, issued an order canceling the hearing, which she only stated that she's considering recusing herself from hearing the present litigation. According to the ATF, 7 of 10 crime guns recovered and traced in Mexico come from the United States. This level nears 80% across the Caribbean, where many countries have backed the Mexican lawsuit. The Mexican and U.S. governments have recently agreed to boost controls against arms trafficking through an electronic tracking program for weapons seized from criminal groups, but neither has offered details on that plan. It makes you wonder why the judge wants to recuse herself from this case. But the really scary thing is, when they say that the U.S. and Mexican governments are working on an electronic tracking program for weapons seized from criminal groups. And what's scary about that, let's not forget Fast and Furious. And if you don't know what that was, that during the Obama administration, the ATF came up with this bright idea. They teamed up with some gun shops in South Texas, and they actually let them sell guns to cartel members. And what the ATF wanted to do is track these guns back to Mexico. And then, of course, wanting to arrest cartel members. And under the watch of President Obama and then Attorney General Eric Holder, they actually lost track of some of these weapons. And some of those guns were found where people had been shot and injured and some killed, including a U.S. Border Patrol agent. And to my knowledge, nobody was held responsible for what happened. I would really like to hear you guys' thoughts on the story. Why do you think the judge wants to recuse herself from the case? And do you think the U.S. and Mexican government trying to track some of these weapons could end up in a Fast and Furious 2? And if you guys could do me a large favor and help the channel out and help it grow. And you can do that a couple of ways, by liking, sharing, and subscribing and hitting those post notifications. And I invite everybody back to see my next video.